We have the most advanced healthcare system available. Still 52% of the global population suffer from chronic diseases. 41 million people die prematurely of chronic ailments each year. The question arises: what causes chronic diseases? Why are we not able to cure them? The current healthcare system is the best when it comes to curing infectious diseases, trauma surgeries and acute episodic illnesses. But when it comes to chronic diseases, the system is not designed to cure them. It can only manage and gets rewarded for management of symptoms of chronic diseases. This gap is connected to the way this dominant medical healthcare industrial paradigm has been developed over years. Medical schools do not teach nutrition, they only educate about drugs for every symptom. Healthcare practitioners are equipped to only manage symptoms of chronic diseases, not prevent or cure them. They usually prescribe drugs to manage a group of symptoms and call them a disease. Once they call them a disease, the same is covered by insurance. Insurance companies make fixed margins. The premiums are increased based on the increased health risk of people, driven by how much drugs and tests have been prescribed by the doctors. Diagnostic testing only investigate the after effect of biological functions of the body through standard of care blood or urine biomarkers, which can only tell you current health conditions. Highly invasive and radiation-based therapies recommended by hospitals lead to irreparable collateral damage. People resort to medication and drugs to manage the side effects caused by these therapies. These drugs are like time bomb blown in your body. They kill both the good and bad microbes living inside your large intestine, thereby reducing gut microbial diversity and stemming body-wide inflammation. This inflammation leads to overactive immune response, making immune system kill its own cells, resulting in onset of chronic diseases. The most beneficial medicine is food. In pursuit of better health, you have resorted to fad diets and generic food recommendations, so much that many subscribe to chronic disease management companies, offering generic recommendations for food based on what works for most people. The biggest gap: these companies are not able to analyze biological functions taking place inside the body and decode which specific foods are causing inflammation. After all, a particular food may be nutrient for Tom and toxin for Joe. Generic food recommendations, therapies, overuse of antibiotics, has resulted in gut dysbiosis, leading to release of toxins in bloodstream, altered genes expression, compromised immune system, causing inflammation, thereby developing chronic diseases, such as diabetes, PCOS, IBS, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, mental health issues, autoimmune disorders. How to fix this? All you need is to move away from managing symptoms and understand root cause of chronic diseases. By learning about biochemical activities taking place inside your body, and foster health through microbes living in your digestive tract, which make up more than half of cells in your body. These microbes perform critical functions, digesting food, boosting metabolism, regulating essential hormones, modulating satiety level, providing nutrients, vitamins, minerals and beneficial short-chain fatty acids, detoxifying enzymes, neutralizing pathogens, producing neurotransmitters. This is where gene fitletics comes into picture. We sequence your genes' expression, analyze every biochemical activity taking place inside your body and translate them into molecular biomarkers. To get status of dysregulation of functions inside your body, predict specific sources of inflammation, provide unique recommendations for food to address dysregulation of biological functions and balance your gut microbiome. We also give detailed insights and report for your health practitioner about your biochemistry and biochemical responses inside your body, so they can explain you in detail about mechanism inside your body which is causing trouble, essentially dovetailing food chronic disease connection. We empower customers to examine their gut microbiome regularly and fine-tune their gut microbiome, thereby maximizing their vitality and health span. Take control of your health today. GeneFitletics, engineering human biology to transform lives. Log on to www.genefitletics.com.